Welcome back to another video. This is V and you're watching Buzzing with V. So there's so many projects that I would like to share with you. These are my weekly projects for scrapdivadesigns.com. I will have all of the links listed below. If I inspire you at all, I have a discount code for you. That's V10%, and that's VEE10 and the percent sign. Head on over to scrapdivadesigns.com as well to see so much inspiration from other talented crafters. So look at all of these projects that I have. I would like to start off with the very first one, the fringe butterfly. There are two sizes available, sold separately. So there's a small and there's a large. So here I'm showing you how I made this. So you are able to make it flat or you can make it 3D like I did. I fluttered them and I added 3 layers of the base, and so it created a 3D butterfly. I also added some greenery to the top as well as some strawberries. So I'm using an older collection here. This one is the Sweet Story collection by Maggie, Holmes and American Crafts. And I have a ruler for you here so you can see the measurements as well. So this is the large and the small. So as you can see, all of the dies there that come with the die set. The next project is the round gift box. This one has so many pieces, and I believe there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, there's 6 pieces here. So all of these dies will create this cute box here, and I just love this box, especially if you're a swapper. This box is a perfect box to add embellishments to. I know from swapping, I always looked for some boxes so I could add all of my projects to. So I thought the butterflies would go great inside this box here. And I made it into a window instead of a window shaker, but you do have that option. If you go to the website at ScrapDiva Designs, you can see all of the other design team members' projects and get more inspiration there as well. The next die here that I'm featuring is the Bear Gumball Machine. This one is an add-on. However, you can use it as a single piece. Here I'm using it as a shaker, and you would just add it to the gumball machine. This one is a cute one because I made it into a princess. So you are able to go for like a girl theme. You can go for a baby theme as well. And this would look great as some tags or on top of a gift box as an embellishment, or even a card or invitations, or favors, party favors. That would grow great as well. So this one here is a Cellphone shaker and cover die set. I wasn't sure if I shared this before, so I wanted to do that now. So there's so many pieces to this die set. I went ahead and made it into a window. So the cover has a window. It's not meant like that, but you are able to create it like that. And so that's what I did here. I wanted it like a see-through, and then the cell phone inside. So this one is an embellishment. So you are able to create it into a candy box if you'd like. You can also create it into a tag and make it a tag. So much to do with this one as well. This one you could do a mini album as well, or a flip, kind of like a flip, like a trifold flip folder. You can do that as well. So that one, yeah, I wasn't sure if I shared that, so I wanted to share that with you as well. I'm using an older collection by Sweet Story. I couldn't remember what it's called, so I will have that listed below just in case. So yeah, super easy to make the jelly bag. It is just, you get a few pieces here and you just double up on them. So this one here, I'm using some of the Pebbles collection as well, and then the paper is the Sweet Stories. So I made a little bubble heart for a tassel, and if you search on YouTube paper heart, you get so many videos on that, and it's so easy to make. So if I find the video that I use to create it, I will link it below. But it's super easy to make, and I was very surprised how easy it was. Okay, so the next one here is the loaded pocket, and it's a small, that's the title, loaded pocket small. So you get 2 tags. So you can see there a scalloped edge, and then the other one is a different shaped, and then you get one die for the pocket. So as you can see here are my little pockets, and I just love them because I love library cards, and every time I make a library card I always make it into a pocket. So these ones are perfect, and you could add embellishments to them. I remember my very first library card I made it into a pocket, and I added some felt bows, miniature felt bows. That was my very first project, and I still remember it to this day. And the collection I'm using here is the Pebbles collection called Cool Girl. And I added lots of layers and lots of detail to it, and lots of florals. I just thought that the florals would go so great with this one. This one's such a vibrant and colorful collection. I love the llamas. You get so much different characters in this collection. You get a hippo, you get a swan, you get a cat, you get unicorns, and you get llamas as well. And so and butterflies. I think it's so cool. That's why it's called Cool Girl, probably, because it is cool. Okay, the last one, and I just love this one. This one is a very popular die. It's currently sold out. However, I just recently seen ScrapDiva Designs Instagram, and it says it's coming soon. So I believe there is a restock on this one, and it's called the Tumbler mini album die set. So I made it into a pocket. You can make it into a mini album, a pocket, a card, a box, a tag. So much. You could put it on your scrapbooking layouts, and you could insert embellishments. I was going to insert a sequence mix here, but I couldn't find one. And I also wanted to share with you an older die set. I'm using these flowers from this older die set called Romantic Vintage Tags, and it's still available. So if you'd like to pick that up, I will have that linked below as well. And I love the flowers in them, and it just went so well with this one. And I just love the butterflies as well, and the colors are so perfect. You also get some hearts and stars and a little flower and a sentiment that says crafty girl. So I'm sharing with you the measurements. You also get the base, you get 2 layering pieces, and so there it is. There's the swan. I included the swan in all of those greeneries. So this concludes the video. If you have any questions, please list them below, and I will get back to you as soon as I'm able to. And stay tuned for more projects. I have some more coming up very soon. See you then.